Hi guys, so in previous lecture we have seen the architecture. Now we see advantages, risk and use cases for NFV. So in previous lecture we have seen the architecture. So VNF means virtual network function. So it is a virtual firewall router. Okay, and what is the meaning of NFVI? So N means network function virtualization. This I stand for infrastructure. I have taught this in last lecture. If you want to watch that, you can simply watch the video. So this is the hardware like CPU, memory and network. I have taught this previously. And then Mano is basically management orchestras. Okay, so it manage the software, or it manage everything in the software. And third one is virtual layer. Then virtual layer makes hardware shareable. Okay, virtual layer क्या काम करता है, वो हार्डवेयर इसको शेयरेबल बनाता है. And then the service layer gives service to the user. Okay, use. Then this is the recap. Now move to our topic, that is advantages. So first advantage is it save cost. It is cost efficient, so no need more expensive hardware, or the hardwares are a little bit expensive and all this harder thing and complex thing over there. And software are faster and deploy service quickly. It is faster than hardwares. Third, scalable, easy to grow network. It is more scalable and easy to grow our network. The fourth point is it is flexible, change function as needed. If you need something, it can change your function as per your needs. Okay, it doesn't add for me and or the. Okay. The fifth point, it is simple to management for place. Okay, simple to management. So these are 5 points. If you want more point, go through your book or refer ChatGPT. I refer ChatGPT and book too. Okay, fine. And now we are looking at risk or disadvantages. So it can be less secure. This is secure. Okay, this is secure. It can be less secure. Yeah, sometimes software risk are being hacked, or some hackers or some cybers attack there. Okay, so it can be less secure. Okay, so security is less. The second point is need skilled people to manage. This is the most important point. We all know how hard web is hard, and all the electronic student relate this thing. Need skilled people to manage. Okay, if you don't have any skill and you go through the hardware part, you can't do anything. It's very tricky. You must know the basics of all the things. Okay, in software we can easily chat gpt, or easily sum up all the things or basics, but in hardwares you have to learn from basics, and it is little bit tricky too. Fine. Let's move to our topic. The third point is performance may be lower than hardware. Okay, yeah, this is also a drawback, that performance is lower than hardware. Yeah, hardware is especially for that machine too. Okay, software do multiple tasks, so that's why it's less scalable, or it is little bit slower than hardware. Fine. And complex setup. Fourth point is complex setup. Yeah, this is a hardware, so the setup must be a complex. In networks, the setup is much complex. Now the fifth point, the software bugs can affect network. Yeah, I told this, that sometimes cyber attacks, or some virus over there, it can affect your networks. So this is also a risk and disadvantage or drawback for the NFA. Fine. So now we can see the use cases. Now NFV use cases. Okay, use cases number 1, network virtualization, mobile edge computing, video analytics and orchestration engine. And then fifth, security. So basically in network virtualization, it scale up or scale down your need, or your network according to your needs. Okay, so this basically create a virtual network on prime or physical network that permits service supplier to extend and accelerate the development and innovation of the service, also as different network need like provision. So it is basically scale back or scale up your software for your network traffic. I have taught this already. So basically this all is in network virtualization. You can don't mug up all things, just understand and then fake fuck karo. Fine. So mobile edge computing, so it is basically a virtualization permit edge devices to perform machine service and supply network function by generating and utilizing either one or more multiple virtual machine. It is a computing device which can scale up or scale down your virtual machine. It can be utilized either on one or multiple virtual machine. Okay यार अब ये वीडियो एनालिटिक एंड ऑर्केस्ट्रल इंजन्स एंड सिक्योरिटी, अब ये आप खुद से चैट जीपीटी करके देख लो यार. आई एम सो टायर्ड नाउ. So bye bye, take care. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow for more.